Alright guys, so here's an opportunity for you to see me doing NOS, full out NOS in full effect. So what I'm doing here is what's called a bent over one-arm dumbbell row. I start off with a weight that's really heavy for me. I mean, I always keep my form ideal and optimal, knowing that I initiate the working muscles. So what that means is I'm trying to, the first part of that movement, the first time that weight moves, it's going to be coming from the working muscle. It's going to be coming from my lat. So as long as I'm initiating with the lat, I know I'm going to be working the right muscle. I'm going to do as many reps as I can. In this case, I'm shooting for 8. So then we're going to do a drop by about 20%. And then we're going to continue doing the exact same movement, the same execution, no cheating, no rocking, no swinging, no moving. Then we're going to do it again. We're going to drop by about another 20%. So now, every time we drop, that muscle is exhausted with that weight. Now, subsequent to that, we can continue to take that muscle closer to actual physical exhaustion simply by dropping the weight, continuing it, and going. Yes, it's hard. Yes, it's intense. But as long as your nutrition is in the right place, you're getting optimal amount of amino acids, optimal amount of carbohydrate at the right times, you're able to recover. So now this is something that you don't necessarily do all year round. This is not necessarily something that you do in every exercise, but this is something you do when you're looking to optimize growth, optimize intensity, and you know that your body's capable of recovering from it. So definitely check this out. I hope you guys learn something from this. It's really, really awesome. I love the way it essentially guarantees my growth. So check it out. Hopefully you enjoy it and let me know your thoughts. Thanks, guys.